मैं जब ताइवान में आई थी, nobody told me that you have to keep these receipts properly so that you can win $1 million. इसलिए मैं आपको बता रही हूँ so that you can win $1 million. So keep following Tori Tales. Hello Tori buddies. Welcome to Tori Tales. I hope you are doing well and I hope this video finds you in Taiwan.
A few moments later.
Since you all have arrived to Taiwan at your designated universities, और अगर आपने मेरी सारी वीडियोस देखी है तो आपको पता होगा कि आपको यहाँ आने के बाद ढेर सारी शॉपिंग करनी पड़ेगी। और आप जब यहाँ पे शॉपिंग करेंगे तो उससे आपको मिलेंगे ये ढेर सारे रिसीट्स जो आप उठा के फेंक दोगे, राइट, लाइक दिस। और जिससे आपके $1 मिलियन जाएंगे पानी में। काश मुझे ये किसी ने पहले बताया होता, क्योंकि जब मैं ताइवान में पहले नई आई थी, nobody told me that these receipts can help me win $1 million. So you can be so much rich. जी हाँ, so government of Taiwan announces this lottery prizes 1 to 2 months. So आप ये सारे lottery receipt अच्छे से संभाल के रखिए, and then every after 2 months, for example like from January to February, the prize will be announced in March. So आपको ये number match करना है, and if they get matched, you can win from $200 NT to $10 million NT. Surprise, right? Yes. Even I was surprised too when I got to know that these receipts can help me win so many prizes, so much of money. Nobody told me when I came to Taiwan about these lottery tickets. And मेरे starting के first 4 months के receipt waste चले गए. And later my lab mates told me about this. After that, what I found, you will surprised to know about this. So watch till the end. अब आप बोलोगे कि ये सब fake है, government scheme है, all this blah blah blah. I also thought the same until and unless I won $200 NT for the very first time. And then I won again and won again and won again. At least मैं 5 से 6 बार $200 NT तो जीत ही चुकी हूँ। अब आता है कहानी में ट्विस्ट। Yes, जी हाँ, when I won $4,000 NT, not once but twice. Yes, मेरी तो खुशी का ठिकाना ही नहीं रहा। I was so happy. And yes, I'm not lying. आपने मेरे वीडियोस देखे ही हैं, मैं फालतू के लिए झूठ नहीं बोलती। तो मैंने $4,000 NT 2 बार जीते हैं ताइवान में। How do you know if you win this prize or not? So for this you have to install an app which is called Colbri. So that's COLBRI. ठीक है, तो ये app आप install कर लो where you can scan the receipt in the app and it can say that if you won this prize or not. Okay. और आप अपने किसी ताइवानीज लैबमेट से पूछो कि which app do they use to scan the receipt and keep it digitally, तो वो भी आपको बता देंगे. And now Taiwan government has introduced that if you don't want a paper receipt, you want to save paper, आप digitally वहाँ पे scan कर सकते हैं. That's also in Chinese, so you have to take help from your Taiwanese lab mates who can help you install this. मुझे भी किसी friend ने help किया था to install this app, so you can ask your Taiwanese lab mates to help you install this and save the receipt digitally. So when you go to any shop, you just have to show the QR code and they will scan it and your receipt is coming onto your phone or the scanning QR code directly digitally stored, so you don't have to remember, and if you win it, that is linked to your bank account. So if you win it, the money will come directly to your account, so you don't have to remember, you don't have to save all the receipt to scan it, blah blah blah. Yes, problem solved. Thank me later. If you're finding it too difficult, you can check the government website. You can just type in your Google that Taiwan government lottery receipt, or वहाँ पे all these numbers are enlisted. So you can check it manually with yourself, like check the last 3-digit numbers. If it verify, you get 200, and if 4 digits, 1005, and so on. So there is like a hierarchy on this system, so you can check it by yourself. Now coming on to the important part, which is where to claim this money. Okay, so if you're winning 200 to 1000 NT dollars, you can go to 7-Eleven or Family Mart to claim this prize money along with your ARC, your passport, your student ID, because they will check it that you are a legal person or not before transferring you the money. You can take it cash or put in your like easy card. So if you want a big amount, don't go to 7-Eleven because they will not give you money. You have to go to big banks like Mega Bank or Eastern Bank. Only few banks where you can go and claim your money. So go with the receipt along with the ARC, passport, student ID, because they'll scan everything, note down all the details, take the receipt, and on the back of the receipt you have to write your name and phone number. They will take your signature before handing you the money. So yes, there you go. All the secrets have been revealed. Now you have more reasons to follow Tori Tales. Keep supporting Tori Tales. Like to our channel, share with your friends, and subscribe more because it helps us make more videos like this. Don't forget to comment if you have won some amount and how much did you win. No, no. This is my drink. You want to drink? Come, come.